Inflammation is a complex biological response that plays a crucial role in the body's defense mechanism against harmful stimuli. However, chronic inflammation is implicated in various diseases, including cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the potential anti-inflammatory properties of certain foods. Welcome to our channel. This video explores the scientific evidence behind the anti-inflammatory effects of berries, fatty fish, broccoli, avocados, green tea, peppers, mushrooms, grapes, turmeric, extra virgin olive oil, dark chocolate and cocoa, tomatoes, and cherries. Berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Studies suggest that the consumption of berries may reduce inflammation markers in the body, possibly through the inhibition of pro-inflammatory signaling pathways. Berries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins which have anti-inflammatory effects that may reduce your disease risk. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are abundant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These fatty acids have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties by modulating the production of inflammatory molecules called cytokines and reducing the activity of inflammatory enzymes. Your body metabolizes these fatty acids into compounds called resolvins and protectins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have found that people consuming salmon or EPA and DHA supplements experienced reductions in the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein, CRP. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains sulforaphane, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Sulforaphane, an antioxidant that decreases inflammation by reducing your levels of cytokines and nuclear factor kappa B, NF-kappa B, which are molecules that drive inflammation in your body. Research has shown that eating many cruciferous vegetables is associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and cancer. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, including tocopherols and carotenoids. These components may contribute to the fruit's anti-inflammatory effects by reducing oxidative stress and modulating inflammation-related pathways. Avocados contain potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. In one high-quality study including 51 adults with excess weight, those who ate avocado for 12 weeks had a reduction of inflammatory markers interleukin-1 beta. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols, particularly catechins, which have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that the regular consumption of green tea may help mitigate inflammation by suppressing inflammatory mediators. Drinking green tea is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, and other conditions. Many of its benefits are due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, especially a substance called epigallocatechin 3-gallate, EGCG. EGCG inhibits inflammation by reducing pro-inflammatory cytokine production and damage to the fatty acids in your cells. Peppers. Peppers, especially bell peppers, contain capsaicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Capsaicin has been shown to inhibit the activity of certain pro-inflammatory proteins and modulate immune cell function. Chili peppers contain vitamin C and cyanopic acid and ferulic acid, which may reduce inflammation and support healthier aging. Mushrooms. Certain mushrooms, such as shiitake and maitake, contain bioactive compounds like beta-glucans that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation. Mushrooms are very low in calories and rich in selenium, copper, and all of the B vitamins. They also contain phenols and other antioxidants that provide anti-inflammatory protection. Grapes. Grapes, particularly red and purple varieties, contain resveratrol, a polyphenol with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Resveratrol may inhibit inflammatory pathways and protect against oxidative stress. Grapes also contain anthocyanins, which reduces inflammation. It decreases the risk of several diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and eye disorders. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to modulate inflammatory signaling pathways and inhibit the activity of inflammatory molecules. In one study, people with metabolic syndrome consumed 1 gram of curcumin daily combined with piperine from black pepper experienced a significant decrease in the inflammatory marker CPR. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, such as oleocanthal. These components have demonstrated anti-inflammatory effects by reducing the production of inflammatory cytokines and inhibiting inflammatory enzymes. The effect of oleocanthal, an antioxidant found in olive oil, has been compared to anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen. Studies suggest extra virgin olive oil may reduce the risk of heart disease, brain cancer, obesity, and other serious health conditions. Dark chocolate and cocoa. Dark chocolate and cocoa are rich in flavonoids, particularly epicatechin. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may contribute to their potential health benefits, including the reduction of inflammation. One small study of participants who consumed 852 mg of cocoa flavanols twice daily or a placebo suggests that cocoa flavanols can improve vascular function and decrease blood pressure and arterial stiffness within the first 3 to 8 hours after ingestion. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain vitamin C, potassium and lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Lycopene has been shown to inhibit the expression of inflammatory genes and reduce oxidative stress. Cherries. Cherries, especially tart cherries, contain anthocyanins and other antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effects. Consuming cherries has been associated with reduced levels of inflammatory markers and improved recovery from exercise-induced inflammation. One 2019 study including 37 older adults found that those who consumed 16 ounces of tart cherry juice daily for 12 weeks experienced significantly lower levels of the inflammatory marker CRP. Incorporating a variety of these foods into a balanced diet may contribute to the reduction of inflammation in the human body. It's important to note that individual responses to these foods can vary, and dietary choices should be part of a holistic approach to health, including regular physical activity and overall lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. If this information is useful for you, then thumbs up, and subscribe this channel.